Our company is almost 10 years old, and we are hiring more than 60 people. We are developing our own warehouse management system called PinkWork, which is very innovative software based on artificial intelligence. The goal of this project was to build the artificial intelligence mechanism, which will allow in the very fast way for picking the components. So we created the artificial intelligence mechanism, which is choosing the proper path, taking into the account many things like several employees doing the same thing in the same time, and trying to avoid the collision between, for example, the rig stackers and the employees, so taking care about their safety.
The solution that has been developed within the project is an innovative tool that determines the shortest route for the picking of goods, thus improving the working conditions for warehouse employees. The system has been designed to be intuitive, with a simple interface on both computers and mobile devices, which means that any user, warehouse managers and other employees, will quickly learn how to use it after a short training session. We also aim at increasing the level of digitalization maturity of the end user as an additional indirect impact of the solution. Our solution has been implemented so far as an integral part of the WMS system of our PinkWork platform as a beta functionality that can be selected by the user. And at this point, already about 5 to 10 clients have decided to use the algorithm. We all seem to be, very happy and proud, while from our side, it was also the sense of fulfillment. And from the other side, it was a wave of trust and satisfaction. Last but not least, during the project realization, we did appreciate the collaboration with our mentoring tutor, with Stefan Uchlik.